In 2026, nobody clapped when they started over. There was no dramatic music, no perfect morning routine, no sunlit apartment, just a young person on the floor staring at a bank balance that looked unreal. $0. Zero backup plan. Zero idea who they were supposed to become next. For a while, life felt like a loading screen that never finished. Friends were moving forward. People online were buying cars, moving cities, posting wins. Meanwhile, they counted coins, deleted shopping apps, and pretended they were fine in group chats. But one night, something changed. Not a miracle, not motivation, just a quiet decision. If nobody was coming to fix their life, they would become the person who did. So they started small, embarrassingly small. They made the bed, drank water, tracked every dollar, applied for jobs they felt underqualified for, learned one useful skill, watched free tutorials, walked outside when anxiety got too loud. The first month did not look like success. It looked like saying no, cooking cheap meals, working tired, studying late, and choosing silence over explaining the plan to people who would not understand. There were days they wanted to quit, days when one unexpected bill wrecked the budget, days when progress felt invisible, days when the old version whispered, "Why even try?" But they kept going, not because they felt confident, but because they were tired of restarting from the same place. Slowly, the numbers changed. $5 saved became 50. 50 became 500. The first client replied. The first paycheck stretched further. The first habit stayed. The first morning came when they did not wake up defeated. And the glow up was quiet. No flexing, no loud announcement, no need to prove it. Just cleaner thoughts, better boundaries, a calmer phone, a peaceful room, clothes that fit who they were becoming, a calendar with purpose, a wallet with breathing room. People noticed eventually. They said, "You seem different," but they did not see the nights, the discipline, the private promises kept when nobody was watching. That was the real glow up, not looking rich, not acting successful, not becoming untouchable. It was becoming reliable to yourself. By year's end, they were not a finished masterpiece. They were something better. Proof. Proof that you can begin with nothing and still build something solid. Proof that quiet days count. Proof that your life can change before the world notices. So if you are at zero right now, do not be ashamed. Zero is not the end. Zero is the clean line where the rebuild begins.